This is the Aquaboon Universal 5 micron 10 by 2.5 inch cartridge refillable water filter. This one has the coconut shell activated carbon block. It is a premium quality. I actually have purchased multiples of these. I think it's 6 in the pack. And I'm using these with my SimPro water filtration system that I installed myself on my RV. As I said, I've got multiples of these and they are working well. They are 5 microns, so I've used them in the middle of my system, followed by a 1 micron filter. I hope you enjoyed this review.